In this video, I'm going to show you a proven method that wipes out an entire cockroach colony from the inside out. And the best part is that you probably already have these ingredients at home, or you can grab them for just a few dollars. Start by taking a glass container and adding 3 tablespoons of boric acid. This is what actually does the damage. It breaks down their exoskeleton and destroys their digestive system from the inside. Then add 1 tablespoon of sugar. This part is key because it attracts the cockroaches in the first place. They simply can't resist it. Mix everything really well. Now place small amounts of the mixture into shallow bottle caps or jar lids. Set them in areas where cockroaches usually show up, under the sink, behind the refrigerator, in dark corners, or anywhere you've spotted them. Here's why this works. Cockroaches are social insects. When one of them takes the bait back to the nest, it ends up spreading to the others. It's like a domino effect. One treatment can reach the entire infestation. Once they all eat it, it's over. Death usually happens within 72 hours. Now, here's the part most people overlook. These baits only work if there are no other food sources around. If there are crumbs on the counter or food left out, they'll ignore your trap. So make sure to clean all surfaces thoroughly. Store food in airtight containers and don't leave anything out overnight, including pet food. Also, take a few minutes to seal up entry points. Check around pipes, cracks in the walls, and spaces under doors. If they can't get in, the problem stays gone. Reapply the treatment every 2 to 3 weeks, especially after cleaning or if it gets wet, because moisture can reduce how well it works. This isn't an instant fix. You'll start noticing results in a few days, but full elimination usually takes 2 to 3 weeks as the bait spreads through the entire colony. No more spending money on pest control, no more harsh sprays. Just a simple method to keep your home completely cockroach-free.